Question 1. Ken and Pat had an equal amount of money at first. Each day, Kent spends $80 and Pat spends $55. When Ken had spent all his money, Pat still had $300 left. How much money did each of them have at first? Okay, so what we need to do is, let's start with the first information, right? Sentence number 1. At the beginning, we have Kent and then we have Pat. They each had the same amount of money. So let's draw out the model. Ken and Pat had the same amount of money. What happens after that? One day after, okay? One day after, Kent spends $80 over here, probably this, $80, and we will have Pat, who spent $55. Now think about it. What happens to their difference? At the beginning, what is the difference between them? 0, because they had an equal amount. But one day after, because in the difference of their spending, alright, this $25 will be the gap. Okay, so let me erase it. After one day, this $80 is gone, and this $55 is gone. $55 is gone. And what will be the difference? $25. Now you think about it. If this pattern repeats, which it will, alright, Ken continue to spend $80 and Pat continue to spend $25. What will happen to the gap? It would increase by a fixed amount, isn't it? And what is that fixed amount? $25. So after day 1, the difference is $25. Day 2, the difference is $50. Day 3, $75. At which point in time will Ken spend all his money and Pat will have $300 left? Which means this gap here, the gap needs to increase 25, 25, 25, 25 until Pat has $300 left. Or, to put it another way, it will continue, the reduction will continue until Pat has $300 more than Kent. That is the day whereby Ken ran out of money. Alright, when their differences increase 25 a day until 300. So how many days is that? Let's calculate. Number of days Ken took to spend all his money. Remember, $25 a day. Alright, that is the gap. $25 gap is produced a day. How many days will it take to create a $300 gap between them? We just take 300 divided by 25. That will give you 12 days. It will take 12 exact days such that Ken would run out of money and Pat would still have $300 left. So next step, can we now work out how much money they each have at first, which is an equal amount, isn't it? So 12 days to spend all his money. So we can easily find the amount of money they have at first, isn't it? Just using Ken. Amount of money each of them had at first. Every day Ken spent $80 and he took 12 days to spend it. Therefore, the answer will be $960.